What's up guys, it's Pepper. In this video I will show you guys how to make this polymer clay ice cream sandwich. You want to start by taking a light brown and pink and some white, and you want to smush them together like I'm showing you here, and this is the hardest part. Next you want to cut it into a rectangular shape. To make the cookie part, take some brown clay and roll it out. Place your ice cream on the rolled out clay and use this as a measurement for your cookie. To give it that rounded look, I'm slightly tapping on each of the corners. I'm using a dotting tool to give it those dots they have on the surface. Please make sure not to forget to put those dots in the middle, or this looks like a Lego piece. Next step is just to assemble the whole sandwich. I also gave it a really cute kawaii face. And then you want to bake it in the oven. Once it's baked, I am just giving it some finishing touches like the shine in the eyes and the little cheeks. Last step is to seal everything in with some gloss, and then you have a really cute ice cream sandwich charm. In your guys' opinion, are ice cream sandwiches the best types of sandwiches? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.